Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Udemy free course, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Udemy free course, begin by visiting the Udemy website. Log into your Udemy account with your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the free course you want to activate. Type the course name or related keywords, then hit enter. Browse through the search results to locate your desired course. Click on the course title to open its main page. On the course page, check for the Enroll Now button. Click the Enroll Now button. If the course is free, it will show zero cost, allowing you to proceed without payment. You may be prompted to confirm your enrollment. If so, click on the confirmation button or link provided. Once confirmed, you will be redirected to your course dashboard. Here, you can view all the sections and lessons of the course. To start learning, click on the first lesson. Follow the prompts to navigate through the course materials. Make sure to check any additional resources the instructor may have provided. If you ever want to revisit the course, simply log back into Udemy and find it in your courses list. Enjoy your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.